Kibitomero lwamyamwera musole kubuha mazimwangala Bulozi aluiku musakayona milupatalaza kuzolera mwatoropo ya Mungu mwa Bulozi. Makande Mwa Silozi mwabaliro akina Nathana kufuna wa mundila. Halotalimeni faritoho za Makande. YANABANGA meya wa Mungu ufa KEMELO ku MUIPAPATI wa UPND fabumeya KUYEMELA MONGU. LISWANISO BAFA KEMELO ku MUIPAPATI wa UPND kwa NALOLO. CAZIBA wa PUSO USUSUEZA SWALISANO KUAMANA LOBITO corridor. YANABANGA mweteleli wa mlonganyana wa skriti sa Mungu bonyambe muyumbana baitumezi ku mweteleli wanaha hakainde hichilema kwa kolo yeo na bafile ya kusebeleza chichaba sa Mungu kanako yene bali bomea. Kwambola hani baiza bwipapato mwa skriti sa NALOLO ili mwa Bulozi bo muyumbana baize litulo za weteleli lifiwanga kikopano mi vaitamile kufa KEMELO kuya ipapata kuba mweteleli wa mlonganyana wa skriti sa Mungu ili fakopano ya UPND. Mibahatselize witamo wa kopano ya UPND kwa manapono ya mweteleli hakainde hichilema kwa kuwona kuli kwa banisi chose singata mwana hakaofela. Zengata mwapiho yetatama.
Former MONGU Mayor Nyambe Muyumbana has reaffirmed his support for the United Party for National Development, UPND, and President Hakainde Hichilema as the country prepares for the upcoming elections. Speaking during a campaign meeting in NALOLO district in Western Province, Muyumbana thanked President Hichilema for giving him the opportunity to serve as MONGU Mayor, saying he remains grateful for the trust placed in him.
Mungu ni NALOLO luvapani jitwani. Kona kuli unandi kuswalisana mwasikamo. Sapiri ni batakuitumela kumutompe ya Hakainde Hichilema ni UPND management team kunifakolo ya kuba meya wa Mungu malili mozetalo. Luvelekile hande misesiliteni kiseba shemi baka. UPND lubabangata bapati kona kuli nako ninako baba hulu baeza nga decide kuli kashenu lukubeya kwa kamuso lukubeya kwa njitwani kashenu le bafile mulikanaka siwa sanyambe kono kina yonsale mwa UPND lwa musapota akibunde boshangwe kona zelu tokwa ni mwana lolo alulati wewa yangana sikaselu zwanisona kwa ule malozi baize au ngalanjaeza chwani.
Muyumbana also encouraged the people of NALOLO to support President Hakainde Hichilema, saying the UPND remains committed to improving livelihoods through increased agricultural production. He said continued support for the ruling party would sustain ongoing development programs and advance the government's agenda for economic growth.
Tope Hakainde mulimu mfile aulu utali amubone manifesto ya UPND. Sapili sesinzi kwa pata kisicho 10 million metric tons. Tikuta wasakulio waita kuna ya kalobala nitala njichwani. Alubone ngibana nima vota ska changwe. Malu sepsakuli mkavotela Hakainde Hichilema. Mkavotela waimanga. Mkavotela wakasochea. Mkavotela makasela balunamina. Chibudu chamulemela opposition.
For Bulozi TV News, Celestina Mbewe, MONGU, Western Province.
Mwina spula wababancha mwako pano ya United Party for National Development UPND mwanaha kaufela bo Gilbert LISWANISO basusuelizesi chaba sa NALOLO mwa Bulozi kufa KEMELO kuya ipapata kuba muyemeli wasibaka sa NALOLO mwandu ya milao bo imanga wa munyima mwaliketsa zetaha. Kwambola kanako yene baikambota nisichaba LISWANISO baize kopano ya UPND iitamile kaluchi kuisa zolopili kwa sibaka sa NALOLO. Mizeo halili chwalo baipapati baba munibona ne bakonle kukupama voti kwa sichaba.
The United Party for National Development, UPND, has intensified its campaigns in Western Province ahead of the forthcoming elections, with party officials urging voters to back its adopted candidates. UPND National Youth Chairperson Gilbert LISWANISO called on residents in NALOLO constituency to support their parliamentary candidate Imanga Wamunyima, saying the party remains committed to delivering development in the constituency.
Nikupa vote. Muniswalele abakula 44 selize na muyutu wa milomiliye. Hapo. Nitumeza huu nikupa vote mani etuna ya waka hindi. Babaka vote ya waka hindi mazo. Kopera pane oyenzi fa. Nikupa vote changu.
Nasila muprofita, hawamla tukwazwa, wana mikupa wasemi vaka, hamupe vote etuna Imanga. Zati sema na heza. Sasa ni Bulozi Imanga kaleza kulindalo lumubulelezi. Bilalo yakiyatuna kuja kuwa tuwa hao usika wa yumba usika eza kuti yo umulata balipiri yaka inde uwenge kula nakitatua kogera hamo uweke nisona Imanga ime okazo chamani usika pangalika zamina ko hamukuje makote ya Mungu tuzeba bata.
Meanwhile, other adopted UPND candidates also urged voters to support the party, saying they are ready to address the needs of the people and contribute to the area's development.
Aiba ndipula nivene nifoselize mwalipulelo mwaminelo mani mwamizamayo nikupa kuti mwiniswalele kuzwela katasi alipiruza mida. Anikugami pachwana kumina nitokupa vote changwe. Nikupa vote kumina batu ba moyo wadi. Imi vote yeo nikupa kulimuske mwafakelana. Mulilimi belekele hande kakuba musali.
Bashemi baka nemukani botela ninosi hakuna semuka fumana. Zolopili ya UPND baliki cheini. Ikaela kwa kainde priority kuna kansela. Nikupa kubona mazoho akabotela kansoti ya pesoni waluna.
For Bulozi TV News, Celestina Mbewe, MONGU, Western Province.
CAZIBA wa mihupulo ni maikuto ukupile sichaba kuchincha minahano yabona hakutalimwa fabupilo wa bana kutalosa kuli mibulelelo ya kuli bana baswanela kutia nako kaufela ni kupata maikuto wabona yekeza kwa matata mawiketo wa mihupulo ni maikuto. Kuambola fatukiso ya busile Good Morning Breakfast Show ili famazumangala Bulozi bo mwape kaonga ili bao kibo mwalafi babatali mafa wiketo wa mihupulo ni maikuto ilikuzwa kwa spatra sistuna saliwanika baize kuli kupata maikuto amutu kukona kutisandiulu kuishonda mane ni matata amamu amana mihupulo ni maikuto mibaikeleze kufa kupo kwa sichaba kufa KEMELO kwa bana ni bashimani kakuba fakolo ya kwambola zeo bafita kuzona ni kubata tuso kusina kusaba kutimbokiwa.
The idea that real men don't cry is being challenged. In most cases, society says a man is not supposed to show emotions, saying it is a sign of weakness. In this regard, mental health nurse at Leonica General Hospital, Mwape Kaonga, says telling men and boys to always be strong, to protect, to solve problems and never show emotion has caused more damage than good. Appearing on the Busile Good Morning Breakfast Show, she warned that bottling up emotions can lead to depression, anxiety, and serious mental health problems.
You will find that when these emotions are not being expressed, they will bottle up inside and they will continue to level up to a point where the body will look for the way out. Because whether you are not expressing these emotions, the body can feel it and it's looking for a way out. So you find that some of the men, depression will set in, anxiety will set in.
Kaonga has urged the community to stop judging men and boys, but rather should show them the support they need. And she has further urged the men and boys that their feelings are valid and they should speak up and seek help without fear.
Expressing your emotions is not a sign of weakness. Actually, I would say it's a sign of strength because you need help. Yes, reaching out is not a sign of weakness. Actually, it's a sign of strength. So it will start by even us women getting involved and not teasing or mocking the men or the young boys when they express their emotions. And for the men themselves, it's a gradual process. It starts by acknowledging that I have these feelings and I cannot help myself. I need help.
Bulozi TV News. MONGU, Western Province.
Mungendenge wa Climate Just Communities ufitile makalolo ya bubeli mwasikiriti sasioma ili kutalima falitukiso za kuti salitaba za miaha ni kuchimbola wino wasichaba. Mungendenge wo ili ofiwa tuso kimuso wanaha ya Scotland nikatengo ka Niras ni kuhatisezwa kiba kelekea Evangelical Fellowship of Zambia EFZ ukabona kuli kwaba ni simu yefita fabupala wa 5 hectare yeo ikaba nilipangaliko za kusela elisa za skuwa mwa Watembo Ward. Technical Officer kwa Sioma wo Winter Samboko vaize kalolo ya witukiso wakube alipangaliko za kusela elisa itatekile.
Not long ago, many children in Zambia did not go to school because their parents could not afford it. Today, 2.5 million children are back in the classroom, sitting on desks and being fed nutritious meals under the school feeding program. Markets are now peaceful with no kind of violence. Clinics stand where there were none. We did that together. Across Zambia, people are saying the same thing. We are on the right path. We are moving forward. Not without struggle, but always forward. There's still much work ahead, jobs to create, futures to secure. And that's why Bali keeps working day after day. Because just as we delivered free education, we will keep delivering. For every child still waiting and every family still rising. Until progress is something every Zambian feels. We've started the change. Now let's finish the job. On the 13th of August 2026, vote for Hakainde Hichilema as President of the Republic of Zambia. And let us continue to move Zambia forward together.
Luka ishumusa hanyani mwapumula makutela kaufi mi aluka kuta lukatozo la pili ni Makande.
Not long ago, many children in Zambia did not go to school because their parents could not afford it. Today, 2.5 million children are back in the classroom, sitting on desks and being fed nutritious meals under the school feeding program. Markets are now peaceful with no kind of violence. Clinics stand where there were none. There's still much work ahead, jobs to create, futures to secure. And that's why Bali keeps working day after day. Because just as we delivered free education, we will keep delivering. For every child still waiting and every family still rising. Until progress is something every Zambian feels. We've started the change. Now let's finish the job. On the 13th of August 2026, vote for Hakainde Hichilema as President of the Republic of Zambia. And let us continue to move Zambia forward together.
Muske mwa ya watu kiso ya Beyond the Ballot. Sipula selisingwi. MUIPAPATI bababeli. Lasunda, 12 July 2026, kanako ya 17:30 hours. Lutsakumina MUIPAPATI bamwawadi yalialui apa. Iliwona bomubitalu basi. Bako pano ya United Party for National Development, UPND. Hama ochwalo ni wakwalombota stwala. Baba yema KUYEMELA yona independent. Amfumane nako ya kuteleza. Kwa milelo ya zulopili yebanani yewa watakwezeza sichava salialwi apa. Kifamazi mwangala abulozi fela. Aolwi kumsa kayona. Lasunda 12 July 2026 kanako ya 17:30 hours.
In every celebration, there's a simple choice being made. To belong, count me in. In moments of love and promises for tomorrow, count me in. At the checkout line, in the middle of an ordinary day, a reminder that every number matters. Count me in. Across our communities, our streets, the same message finds us. Count me in. From the everyday worker to the hands shaping our future every day, the call is the same. Count me in. And around the traditions that bring us together, the message becomes impossible to ignore. Count me in.
This election season, your vote counts. Get your NRC and voters card ready.
Count me in.
Bulozi TV is the only commercial television station domiciled in MONGU of Western Province, Zambia, providing homegrown broadcasting. We are licensed by the Independent Broadcasting Authority (IBA) and carried by TopStar on DTT Channel 120. We are also on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, and WhatsApp channel. Our news is factual, balanced, and delivered on time in 3 languages: English, Simbunda, and Silozi. Our programs range from talk shows, entertainment shows, personality, cultural heritage, political shows, local drama and soaps, children's shows, community live broadcast, and many more. Call the station manager to advertise your business on 0975 210 218 or 0764 907 921 or email us on bulozitv@gmail.com. We are situated in Buyuana compound off Kagrava Road in MONGU. Bulozi TV, the pride of Barotse.
Kibitumiro mi lwa ekeza nitukuso ya Makande Mwa Silozi. CAZIBA wa PUSO ni liswaniro za batu bo Wesley Mianda basuswelize muso wana Zambia kuinga muhato sakata waka taisasi fomu kuzwa mwa LOBITO corridor. Mwapiho yefitsizwe kwa mazi mwangala abuloze bomianda baize LOBITO corridor haiswaneli kuboniwa fela kubanzila yeo ingunge kana Zambia nina Angola kono ibesinotolo kwanekula kutisa misebezi kuchalasifumu hamocholo nizolo pili ya mbuwa. Bahatselize linongosi zefitsizwe kikatengo ka Center for Trade Policy and Development za kuli na Zambia haiba isa tokomeli ikona kuya wabunde wabukona kutiswa kinzila ya LOBITO corridor haiba kusina hande SWALISANO ni tamahano yetile. Lufitile kuma filelezo tukiso ya Makande Mwa Silozi kono lusikaya kale harutanimeni hape fa litoho za Makande. YANABANGA meya wa MUNGU ufa KEMELO kumwipapati wa UPND fa meya KUYEMELA MUNGU. LISWANISO bafa KEMELO kumwipapati wa UPND kwa NALOLO. CAZIBA wa PUSO USUSUEZA SWALISANO KUAMANA LOBITO corridor. Mwakona kubuhali tukiso zarona kaufela fa TopStar ili fampuito ya 120 mwale bakaze tatama MUNGU limulunga NALOLO Lusaka Chongwe Chilanga likalolo za Sinanga Kalabo Rufunsa nilibaka zeinzima bapa musakona kuluwa cholo ni falike pela una la Facebook lona la Bulozi TV fapila abo manjinela bo ashbeo sibulwa kabi yanaimbalela Makande kina nathana kufuna wa mundela litumeze.